Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Procter Gamble Company, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by understanding what Procter Gamble Company is and what it represents in the market. Research the company's history, mission, and values to gain insight into its business model.
Visit reputable financial news websites to review recent news about Procter Gamble. Analyze their product line, which includes well-known brands in personal care, cleaning, and health.
Check the company's financial statements, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Look for consistent revenue growth and profitability in their financials over the past years.
Examine key financial ratios like price to earnings, dividend yield, and debt to equity ratios. Visit the Investor Relations section of Procter & Gamble's official website for detailed reports and presentations. Create a brokerage account if you do not have one already. Research different brokerage platforms and compare their fees and services. Once you've chosen a platform, complete the account registration and funding process. Locate Procter & Gamble Company by searching for its ticker symbol, PG. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your research and budget. Place a buy order for Procter & Gamble shares through your brokerage account. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about market trends and company performance. Consider setting up alerts for significant news related to Procter & Gamble. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Stay informed about economic conditions that might impact Procter & Gamble's stock performance. Be prepared to adjust your investment as needed based on your research and market changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.